Okay, welcome to the Center for Student Innovation. My name is Nana Duncan and I'm a graduate assistant here, and I'd like to show you around. I would like to welcome you and introduce you to our equipment that we have in here. The first one is the Cricut Explorer. We usually use it for making cuts. And then the next thing we also have in here is the 3D printing machines. As you can see, we have printouts moving right now. And these are some of the printouts that students have created in the past. And then I'd also want to introduce you to the podcasting studio. Very ready all the time for students to come in and create a podcast. In the past, we've had students coming in to create podcasts for their YouTube and other media platforms. We also have laptops readily available for students to always edit the podcast whilst they create it in Audacity. If you need help, we're able to help you out with the editing. The next thing we would go to is the VR room. For the most part, students come in here for gaming purposes. We also have this for learning purposes. Very, very highly relevant to students, especially those in sustainability. You can walk in here, use the Google Earth to come and do site locations for places where you intend to put your solar and wind farms. So if you want to join us, we have discovery hours from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Thursday. However, anytime you want to walk in here and come ask questions, we are always ready for you and open to answer your questions. We also offer assistance to people who are very new to the technology in here. And lastly, this is also a creative space. If you intend to come sit here for some quiet time, you can make a reservation with us. We believe that this is a more active learning classroom, which is very different from the traditional classroom setting that motivates students mentally, physically, to be able to learn in a better way. So thanks for joining us, and we hope that you visit our website and follow it. But for a more easier way, you can just Google it, CSI EIU, and see us. Thank you.